Hello everyone, welcome to Python AI tutorial. In this complete course, you will learn Python from beginners to advanced and also how to use Python for artificial intelligence. Yeah, I will teach AI also in future. First, I will complete Python from beginning to advanced level and we will complete two or three projects. Then we will move to AI related topics and this course is specifically designed for beginners with no coding knowledge, students, and anyone who wants to learn AI with Python. So, if you are new, don't worry. I will teach everything step by step in simple way. Let's start our journey. First, introduction. What is we are I'm going to teach Python, right? First, before going to Python, first, what is programming language? What is programming language? What is programming language? Anyone know? First, let's understand what is programming. Programming means giving instructions to computer. What some you have to give some instructions to computer based on your instructions. The computer will give answer. That is programming language, right? Let's I will give one layman example. Then you may get idea. If you're going to the one chai shop or tea shop, that we can instruct to the chai person, right? Hey, chai person, you have to make tea like this. You have to add some ginger, and you have to add some ilachi. Based on your requirements, the chai person give, right? Make a coffee, right? You have to give instructions. Based on instructions, the chai person will give that a beautiful chai, right? Same thing. Whatever you have to give instructions, that instruction, based on your instruction, that computer will give answer. In this is programming language, right? Understood? Okay. And simple example, if you tell a computer print hello, then it will display hello. This is program. This is programming, right? And next, you don't worry, I will give entire notes to GitHub. I will explain my GitHub and what are the syllabus, everything I will explain. First, we will learn some concepts and I will tell you at last. And introduction to Python, just introduction to Python. And Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. Who is developed by Python? Guido, Guido van Rossum. When he was developed in 1989 while working at National Research Institute at Netherlands. But officially, Python was made available in publicly 1999. What is the official date of birth? Official date of birth is February 20th, 1991. Okay, understood? Python is recommended as a first programming language for beginners. This is the slogan, my slogan. Python is recommended as first programming language for beginners. Why? Because Python is very simple language. Believe me, Python very simple. Why I have to use like this? Just English statement. If you know English, then Python is very simple. Every syntax is very easy. I will show you. compare it to other languages. I will show you. I will show you. And just to print hello world, I will show you, compare it to other languages. In Python, how many lines are required? Java, how many lines are required? In C, how many lines are required? I will show you. Just print hello world. Just print hello world. Java. Anyone Java background? You people know how many lines? Public, class, hello world, hello world. What? Public, static, void, right? Void, string, string of args, I think. String of args. Then we have to write system dot output dot, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sys, system dot output dot println, right? We have to, I use a shortcut system dot output dot println or print. Just you have to type whatever you want. Hello world, example. Hello world, example. How many lines in Java? One, two, three, four. Right? In C, we can, in C language, how many lines is required? Don't worry, I will provide entire thing in notes, day wise. Yes, include stdio dot h. This is the import statement. Whoever knows C language, they can understand. Why main? I'm not teaching C language and Java. Just I'm teaching Python. Just I have to compare other languages with Python. That's it. Why main print hello world. Hello world. How many lines are there in C language? There are three lines, right? One, two, three. Three lines. Then beautiful is Python language. How many lines are required? Just one line. Print hello world. Now you understood, right? Why that Python is very simple. Because of this simple line, you don't need to import anything, or you don't need to add any like flower brackets or square brackets, your parentheses, UD, not required anything. Just whatever this is looks like English statement, right? Just I have to print hello world using print keyword, right? Just one line, compare it to other languages. That's what I am. That's what everyone using, every company using Python language because of very simple. Okay, now you understand, right? Then we can move to just introduction completed and compare it to other languages with Python that is completed. Next, history of Python. History of Python. Why Python is came to picture? Python word. Why Python came? Python word is came picture. Any reason behind that? Yes. The name Python was selected from the on TV show, The Complete Monty's Python Circus. That is on TV show, which was broadcast in BBC from 1969 to 1974. Guido developed Python language by taking almost all programming features from different languages. Functional programming, functional programming, functional programming features. This is very important. That's what I am writing. Anyway, I will provide everything in the notes. Features from C language and not plus C and object oriented. Oops. Object oriented programming language features from C++ and scripting language. Scripting language features from Perl. Perl is on language. This is outdated now. Shell script. Shell script. Okay. Shell scripting. And modular programming features from Modula 3. Modula 3 is one of the language now that is outdated, but he is derived from some features from those languages. And most of the syntaxes in Python derived from C and ABC language. And most of the people know C language, doesn't know ABC language. Before C language, we have a COBOL and ABC language. Those nowadays, those are outdated. Even C language is also outdated. But he is derived from those syntaxes, those features from those particular languages, and where we can use. Okay, we are learning Python programming. Okay, where we can use this Python programming? Where we can use Python. We can use everywhere. The most common important application areas are for developing desktop application, for developing developing desktop applications and web applications and database applications. For developing desktop application, you can use PyQt5. Some other concepts are there. We can, by using that, you can use our desktop application. A web application, you can use some frameworks are there, Django, Flask, those things. By using those, you can use develop web applications and database applications. We have to use PyMongo. Those things are there. I will explain you those also. And for programming, networking related, we can use and developing games. Pygame is there for developing games. Don't worry, this is the just introduction, right? Everything is whatever that summary, whatever that. This is not a programming, right? That's what I haven't write most of the step. I will give notes to you for preparing. Just I am explaining like then I mean most of the things and. Coming to programming language, I will explain briefly every syntax. Don't worry. And data analysis using Power BI, sorry, in Matplotlib, Pandas, those things, data analysis you can use by using those technologies. And machine learning. This is data science area, machine learning, AI related, everything. You can, Python is a pillar of everywhere nowadays. If you are going to the web application, Python must be required. If you are going to the database application, Python. If you are networking related, Python is needed. Okay, if you are going to games, Python everywhere. Python is the pillar of other languages. And which companies are using Python? Python is using Google, Dropbox, Netflix, Microsoft, the top product based companies using Python. Every company nowadays, AI is coming everywhere, right? That's what everyone, every company using Python. Then, next, features of Python. Features of Python. What are the features are there? Just what are the features? Just before going to the features of Python, what are the features? Every programming language, just we have a features, right? Okay, just I will give one layman example. You are going to buy one mobile. What to check before going to buy any mobile? What to check? Features, right? Camera is good or not, and that whatever that the processor is good or not. Based on your requirements, we have to buy mobile, right? Same thing. Every programming language, some features. Based on that features, we have to use whether that programming language is suitable for me or not. Am I correct? Yes. And first feature, very simple and easy to learn. Easy to learn. Easy to learn. Why I'm using this word? Simple and easy to learn. Python is a simple programming language, sir. When we read Python program, we can feel like reading English statements everywhere. Even any syntax you can take, just English statements. I also explain you right, compare it to other languages. Just you can print. Print is a simple English word, right? Print. Just I have to print hello. I have used just print keyword. That's it. That is why Python, most of the people loved it. Okay. The syntaxes are very simple and only 30 plus keywords are available. When compared with other languages, we can write programmings with very less number of lines, hence more readability and simplicity. We can reduce development and cost of the project. And second feature, you understood, right? Don't worry for notes. I will provide everything, just a basic idea. Because I have to write every line means this the time also increases, right? Just 30 minutes to 40 minutes every day I will complete some concepts. This is my motto. If I write every line means that is the time taken. That's what. Just I have to explain brief words and I will provide notes at the end of the this end of the whatever uploaded this way in YouTube. I will provide my GitHub link also. In there, everything is there day wise notes. And second feature, freeware and open source. And why most of the even startups also use this Python means this is freeware. You don't pay even single rupee as well. Python is a one foundation. Python is running on foundation. Okay. Organization, not a organization, commercial organization. This is the foundation. Freeware and open source. This source code is open. Okay. This whatever Python source code is open. That's what so many libraries are available in the Python related because the source code is open. Based on my requirements, I have to use. For example, that whatever Python source code is available. That same source code I want to develop games. Tomorrow I will write some Venki game. My name is Venkatramma. That's what Venki game I have to use, and I will open to I will publish the GitHub, and whoever wants to use, then that is what everyone like and everyone use freeware and open source. You don't need to pay single paisa as well. And third one, high level programming language. What is high level programming language? What is high level programming language? Python is high level programming language. Everyone telling, right? Hence, it is programmer friendly language. Okay, being a programmer, we are not required to concentrate low level activities like memory management and security. What dot. You don't worry those things. Okay, that is what high level programming language. And fourth point is platform independent. Platform independent. What is platform independent? Once we write a Python program, it can run only any platform without rewriting once again. For example, I'm developing Windows level. Uh, in Windows, I have developed on programming language. Just I have to say it in the GitHub. Someone executed their Mac OS. This is not a platform independent OS level. This is not a OS dependent or not, right? Every OS, just you have to write a code, you have to save it, you have to share it everywhere. Without dependent OS, it will run. What is platform independent? Once you write a Python program, it can run on any platform without rewriting once again. Internally, Python virtual machine is responsible to convert into mission understandable form. Understood? And next, fifth feature, portability. What is portability? Portability means, for example, if you ever write SIM portability or network portability, some portable TV, you're aware, right? Because portability means flexibility. For example, I'm using Geo. I don't want to use Jio. I want to switch Airtel. Then I have to port Airtel, right? Because and portable TV. What is the meaning of portable TV? You don't stick somewhere, right? You have whatever you want to. You have to stick any area. You want to stick wall, you want to table, or you everywhere you can. That is a portability, right? Coming to our language, Python programs are portable. That equals to we can migrate from one platform to another platform very easily. Python programs will provide same results on any platform. Okay. And sixth feature. Now you understood, right? If you are not understand, you can comment it. I will definitely reply it. I will personally connect with you if you have any doubts. Next feature, dynamically type. What is dynamically type? Dynamically typed means in Python, we are not required to declare type of our variables. Wherever we are assigning the value, based on the value, type will allocated automatically. Understood? Hence, Python is considered a dynamically typed language. But Java, compare it to Java, C, etc. are statical type of language because we have to provide type at the beginning only. Int A, float B, complex C, something we have to declare before, right? The type. Here, you don't need to add any types. Based on whatever you mention value, it will automatically take that Python. That is the beauty of in Python. This dynamic typing nature will provide more flexibility to the programmer. And next feature is both procedure oriented and object oriented. Object oriented. This is very most of the people confuse this feature, both the procedure oriented and object oriented. What is Python language supports both procedure oriented like C, Pascal. This is the function language, procedure, right? And object oriented like C++, Java, features, and hence we can get benefits for both like security and reusability, etc. Both features Python is supported. If you are programming language, if you want that function procedure oriented, then you can Python supports. You can write any syntax is like that. If you want programming language like OOPS, you have to write, no problem. That support. Anyway, I will tell you step by step. Next, next feature interrupted, interpreted. So interpreted. We are not required to compile Python programs explicitly. Internally, Python interpreter will take care that compilation. Interpreter means what? We are not required to compile Python programs explicitly, like C, Java. This is not a compiler, right? Internally, Python interpreter will take care that compilation. You don't worry everything. Okay, for example, in Java, you are writing on Notepad. After that, Java says some compile, you can run on command. After that compilation, you can run, you can execute that Java program. Don't like that. Just you have write any program, just you have to save the compilation, everything Python virtual machine is taking care. You don't need to require anything, just you have to execute. How to execute, I will explain you. Don't worry. Then extensible, next feature, extensible. Extensible. What is extensible? We can use other languages programs in Python, right? We can use other languages programs in Python. The main advantage of this approach are we can use already existing legacy non-Python code. We can improve performance of the application. 10th feature, last one, embedded. Embedded. What is embedded? Embedded. We can use Python programs in any other language programs. And that equals we can embedded Python programs anywhere. That I will tell you this extensible embedded in real whenever we can start the real programs. There I will explain you in detail extensible and embedded. And yeah, that is the features of Python. I hope you understand these features. If you don't understand these features or you want more things and you want more practical way, layman examples, tell me in the comment. I will definitely ping you personally or I will make another video for only features of Python. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. I will explain. And what are the limitations of Python? Because every programming language some limitations, right? Performance wise, not up to the mark because this is interpreted language, right? Yeah. Because why Java is most powerful? That is compiler, that is security, that is different. Okay, limitations of Python because this is the open source, right? Because these days okay, performance also there are other so many set of libraries are there we can use. Okay, but some limitation. This is one of the feature, and this is not using mobile applications. Okay, though in these days, though those libraries also available in the market. Okay, and yeah, then this is the features and limitations. And next, how to install Python. This is very bigger question, right? Very simple. Very simple. First step, open Google, open Google and type Python uh, download latest version. I'll show you now practically. Just open any browser, just type Python, download for Windows. If you are Windows, can you can click on that Python. Make sure Python or that's official website you can download. Go to the downloads. Here there are so many options are there: Windows, Mac OS, Android, other platforms. For my case, Windows. You can download any latest version, or directly you can download here. No problem. If you want particular version, you can select the here and you can download. Otherwise, just you can go downloads and install latest version. In my case, already downloaded. How to install? Just in Windows, very simple. Just click on next. Okay, it will show like this pop-up, right? Make sure before install, just to have to select add python.exe to path. If you don't select this one, you have to manually add this path wherever this downloaded Python. That path you have to add your system properties that manually. If you don't select like this, just install now, click on yes. And one more thing, that backward compatibility not available in the Python. For example, Python 2 introduced 10 years back. Okay, you developed some application Python 2 related on that time. Still, you have to you are want to use those applications, not work because the backward compatibility. I mean means that backward compatibility, that previous version doesn't support newer version because now Python 3 is running, right. And few years back, Python 2 is announced. They are announcing Python 2 is deprecated. You are no longer to run applications using Python 2. That type of features doesn't support in Python. Understood? In Java, those type of features are even in the Java 4, you are developing Java version 4. Even Java 16 also coming, Java 4 supports. That backward compatibility, other languages are available, but in Python is not. Anyway, I will explain that also separate concept. Yeah. For our case, setup was successfully. We have to install successfully. How you know whether Python is installed or not? Just you have to open command prompt. Just you have to open command prompt. Just check Python hyphen version. See, we installed 3.14, right? Yes. Just whether programming executed or not, I will see. Just Python compiler is running. Don't worry, I will explain you everything in previous future videos. Just hello world, whether it's executing or not. And yeah, hello world is executing. Yeah, we have installed Python also. Okay. some student level, if you don't have any laptops or if you don't have systems, then just you have to some so many online compilers are there. Just you have to open any Python or online compiler. Just you have to open. Best Python compiler, online compiler is Programmage. Yeah, you have to practice here. How to practice? Just whatever I will explain you tomorrow onward. This is also certain level to execute it. For example, up to some concepts it will execute it. If you import anywhere or that advanced level concept doesn't support it online, those onliners, but basics, okay. Friend, hello, world. It will display hello world, right? Yeah, this is also done. Okay, what we have to done till now, just what is programming language we have to done, introduction of Python we have done, history of Python we done, and compare it to other language with Python we have to done, history of Python we have to done, and features, what are the features we have to done, and how to install Python we have to done. And okay, these also. And even if you don't have any systems, how to run programs in online compilers, that is also we have done. And also one more last thing I will explain you. Then I will close this, and tomorrow onwards I will explain you real world programs. Mm, yeah, I have created on GitHub. 1 minute, I will show you. I have created on GitHub page. I have ping in the YouTube comments, and you have to take and you have to everywhere day one wise. And I think I'm thinking 30 days Python basics to advanced. These 30 days notes also here it is available, and we have to start this repo and fork it your system. Then it's good, right? Again, believe me, this is just introduction, just a theory, right? That's what I have to explain normally. Tomorrow onwards, I will show you with practically every syntax, why this syntax came, what is the importance of the syntax, and everything, believe me, I will explain. Thank you so much. And this session useful for you, please comment and subscribe and like this YouTube channel. This is not my YouTube channel. This is our channel. Please support me. Thank you.